Yo, people, today we are going to react to the stand-up comedy by Varun Thakur.
Part two.
Yeah, part two. Today, the Indian twins Nitin Kumar and Nivin
Nivin
Kumar are
Kumar.
going to react.
Okay. Over.
Uh, yeah, the how twin things are going
Don't
to
mind,
react
don't
to
mind.
stupid Indian ads. Stand-up comedy by Varun Thakur from Amazon Prime Video. Stand-up special on. Let's get into video. People.
The other day I was watching TV and I saw an ad for bottled water. Okay, Manik Chand Oxy Rich. Because when I think of clean, pure drinking water, I think of Manik Chand. So it's called Manik Chand Oxy Rich, and the tagline is now with more oxygen. Here's a scientific joke for you guys. Okay, chemical composition of water is H2O, two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of oxygen. More oxygen makes it H2O2, which is hydrogen peroxide, which will kill you. But it's Manik Chand, so probably A is hydrogen peroxide. Then there was an ad for a phone company, okay? I forget which one it was. And the USP of that phone is that it's a two-way answer.
Basic mobile
Because sometimes when you answer the phone, you answer it the other way around. But now don't worry, because Samsung has a new phone for you guys. Seriously, how lazy are these fuckers? That you have to dedicate an entire research and development team on doing this. See, who are these people? You call them and be like, hello? Bro, तेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. I'm like, तो सीधे पकड़ ना.
He's an amazing stand-up comedian, you know.
And I was in Pune and I heard this ad on radio, right? The ad was A1 mosquito repellent, now with mosquito go away technology. Guys, they've stopped giving a fuck. They're like, कुछ भी ले technology लेंगे सब चूतिया खरीद लेंगे. Mosquito go away technology. Could lesser fucks be given in naming technology? It's like he made this technology, then went to his 2-year-old niece. बेटी इसका नाम क्या रखूं? अंकल इससे क्या होता है? Mosquito go away. Mosquito go away technology. Then you have ads for face wash, right? A face wash is not a face wash anymore. Face wash is anti-darkening, anti-pimple, anti-wrinkle, anti-twinkle, anti-this,
Everything has
anti-sweat.
anti.
New Garnier face wash is anti-pollution. What? We are killing it in science and technology. हम लोग के face wash से pollution जा रहा है. I'm like, why are poor people in Delhi following the odd and even rule? They should just be putting face wash in their exhaust pipe. Did you watch any ad for deodorant? What does it say? Spray this deodorant, chicks will have sex with you. But there's this new deodorant, new fog deodorant. They changed their USP. They're like, now with guaranteed 800 sprays. All the gujus are like, ₹80 માટે 800 spray, saras. So every time I spray deodorant, I have to maintain a fucking Excel sheet. Monday, 2 spray. Wednesday, 5 spray. Saturday, लड़कियों को मिल रहा हूँ पूरा bottle. There was an ad a couple of years ago for rat poison. I don't know if you guys saw that. And the tagline for that was, चूहे खाए घर के अंदर. Right? Tell me one thing. Are rats that obedient? And this one rat comes home, he's eating, he suddenly starts dying. Another rat shows, hey, Prakash, क्या कर रहा है?
So funny. Guys, you should check the original link in the description box.
Wow, check him out
Yeah.
and give him as much as love you can give.
Yeah, so
He did
funny,
an
you know.
amazing
But
job in
whatever
that.
he said, it's true.
Yeah.
If you are Indians, you can
Yeah.
understand. But if you are not from
If
India,
if you
yeah,
have
that's true.
watched any Indian ads, just Google them or just YouTube them. You're found so missing. You know that American ads are as funny as Indian ads. too.
No, we should
I have
react.
seen
We
that.
should react.
Seen them in YouTube too. They do this kind of stupid stuff too. You guys have to do a stand up like this. But the American ads or like UK ads. Ads are like really like stupid. We enjoyed
Okay.
watching this ad stand up comedy by Varun Thakur. Give us a thumbs up if you made it this far. Comment down below what you want us to react to in the future. Hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and yeah,
Bye.
bye.